Balkwan Moon Lamp 5.9-inch Moon Light Night Light for Kids Gift for Women USB Charging and Touch Control Brightness 3D Printed Warm and Cool White Lunar Lamp. ECO Materials. The Moon Lamp is made by 3D technology with eco-friendly materials, PLA. PLA is made from renewable plant resources such as corn, sweet potatoes, etc., which is safe and eco-friendly for your family, especially children. Full Moon Dual Color. Touch to change color, white and yellow, and adjust brightness. Long press to enable the dim function. Very great as a gift for family, girlfriend, and children. Full Moon Lasting Life includes a rechargeable battery, charge for 2 to 3 hours, use 8 to 10 hours. NSL Lighting Moon Lamp Lava Lamp Night Light Galaxy Lamp 16 LED colors with wooden stand and remote/touch control and USB rechargeable gifts for girls, boys, women, birthday, anniversary 5.9-inch. When you are choosing birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, special gifts for her/him, friends, and family. Are you bothered by not knowing what gift to give? This is an amazing gift. It will make her/him, friends and family remember you forever. When it lights up at night, it is so beautiful in the dark. Best service. If you have any problem with the product you received, please contact us. We, NSL Lighting, will solve it for you right away. We guarantee to give you a most satisfactory solution. Advanced 3D print technology is used to provide the perfect starry sky image. It appears a real starry sky in your room. We have upgraded the battery capacity to 1000 mAh. The battery life is increased by 90% than before, and it can be used for a longer time when the power is not connected.